All right, blow the dirt off of the drain or the fill plug there. Just
how do I do it?
Just squeeze it. Yeah, squeeze it. Look out, Gavin. And you lose dirt around anywhere. Spray it all around that area. Get everything cleaned up.
Ow. Pinched myself.
Take your dipstick out. Tight?
Kinda. Yeah, it's real tight.
Okay, there you go. Right there. There you go. Wipe it off a bit. Set it up on the seat. Set it on the rag on the seat. Pull it. There you go.
Okay, I just pull it a little.
Maybe. Push it all the way out till the oil starts coming out. Twist it. You're gonna get oil on you.
Okay, take my helmet off.
Just don't drop it. It's about to come out. There you go. Get it, get it, get it.
You did it.
Get it before it's buried. Grab it. There you go. Good job. Drain, 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 drain.
Now
Up a little bit. Clean the drain plug off.
When we're done, I will get done.
Ride it. Get that paper towel out of the oil, man. It's draining on it.
I don't see that.
You need to go forward that.
Yeah.
You'll do it.
Yeah.
All right, get your ratchet when you got it tight.
This spot is in my way. It's hurting me.
Yeah, like,
Tight? Yeah.
yeah, kinda.
I found it.
Okay, let me check. Oh yeah.
Now you can't. Now don't lick your fingers, okay? Or anything. Or pick your nose or rub your eyes, okay? Okay?
All right. Approximately 24 ounces.
Just dump
See
it all
Dump
in.
her in there slowly. Just dump it. There you go. Just do like that. Dump it.
Dump it all?
Yeah, you gotta dump it all. So just slow and steady. Yeah. Keep going.
Starting to get everywhere.
Dump it.
All?
Yeah.
At the same time?
Well, coming more than what you're doing, yeah.
Like that?
Tip it over so it's pouring out the pointy part of the cup. All right, bottoms up.
What does that mean, like?
Dump it all. There you go.
Okay, I got most of it.
All right, put your stick back in. Don't screw it in, just push it down in there. Now pull it out and see where we're at. Pull it out so you can see the oil on the dipstick. All right, so there's some on there. Put it back in, screw it in, we'll crank it, run it, and see where it's at. Pull it out and we'll check it now.
Okay. That enough?
Yeah, it's full.
That's a 2015 Honda 90 oil change.